Kia ora everyone down here at the EOC Centre in CBD in Taupo. What a day it's been, what a night it's been, and thank you so much for all the support that you've given us. You know, just to give you an update, the trees are still struggling to get picked up, but from what I can see is a fantastic community spirit out there, neighbours helping neighbours, people helping each other, and trying to clean these trees up as much as possible. We've got our teams out there, of course. Still a bit of power outages everywhere. The lines companies are very, very solid and got their full staffing trying to get those the power back onto the systems. Also the roads. The roads are just about back to normal, but there's still a few closures around the district. But just be very, very careful. I remember only to go out if you're absolutely necessary. But some of them are down to single lanes, of course, and just watch for still falling branches and all that sort of thing. So be safe out there. Hey, we'll get through this together, and thank you so much for all your phone calls and looking after neighbours, keeping support up, and I think the district's morale was very, very high. So let's do this. Now we're into recovery mode and tidy it up and get back to normal. Cheers everyone. Thank you.